This is a gorgeous 10 pack of paint your own wooden coaster mandalas. It also comes with 10 self-adhesive cork backings, a 24 pack of markers, and a coaster holder. I was sent this to review and I love it, so let me show you a closer look. So here is an example of how you can color each design. It does come with a 24 pack of acrylic markers that you can use. They're a nice compact size, so many colors. And then here are your mandala coasters ready to paint or marker or whatever you want to do. You could keep them just like this. They're gorgeous as is. Each one is a different design. Wow, I love that it comes with this organizer. Those are the designs on the front, and the back is just solid. And then you also have these for the bottom, self-adhesive cork bottoms. So you're just gonna peel this off and stick it to the bottom so that it is going to protect your surfaces as well. As you can see, this is a super sweaty drink that I've had on here for a while. It's not bleeding or anything. The paint seems to be like a permanent kind of thing. It doesn't bleed. It's quite impressive. There are 10 different mandalas, and then you've got the 10 cork backs. So that's 20 pieces. And then you have the 24 markers. So that's 44, 45. On the product page, it says 45 pieces. So that is how you get the 45. It's not 45 mandalas. Just keep that in mind. Only got 10 mandalas, but that's amazing. This is such a fun set. It's great for a birthday. It's great for a housewarming gift. I mean, a lot of possibilities here. Just gift it to yourself for a rainy day activity. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I know you will too.